Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just took off all my makeup because I'm going to go through my nighttime routine with these 4 products that have made a huge difference with my skin. Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. All right, ladies, I promise you these 4 products will change your mature skin if you're dealing with inflammation, if you're dealing with dehydration, if you're dealing with dull skin. Now, this is just a little concoction that I have created watching different TikToks, doing a little bit of research, kind of having things on my radar for a while, and then I've put them together and I've seen a big difference with my skin, feeling my skin so soft. And I'm always kind of like reversing, like, okay, what have I been using? What's my new little like formula? Because my skin has felt amazing. And one of the products I've recently shared with you that I'm going to talk about, I literally can't live without. So very excited. So I have makeup on, but I did my makeup until my mascara. And then I was like, oh my gosh, we have to do this video. So I'll be washing my face. So this is like my nighttime routine. So I'm going to take you through it. And this is exactly what I do each night. And I wanted to really see if this changed my skin. Because, I had this really, in all the videos, I don't care. I just show up. It doesn't matter. I have a big blemish and it's red. Sometimes like I cover it perfectly and then other times I don't and it's almost gone now. But you know what? It is what it is. This is a real channel. This is real skin. I'm not trying to pretend like I don't have blemishes or this was really bad. I mean, that really hurt for a while. So it's almost gone. It has a little makeup on it, but I'm going to start off with my Rose Cleansing Balm from Elemis, my favorite. The company knows that I'm obsessed with Rose. They send me some Rose products every now and again, and I'm very excited. I just love it. So this is what I use first to melt off all of my makeup. You can use this as a double cleansing. Use the balm first, then use your favorite cleanser. I usually use the Energizing Collagen Gel Cleanser from them afterwards, but we're going to do that. I'm just not going to have mascara all over my face because I don't have it on right now. So I just have my BB cream, my blush, I have my eyeshadow. I was doing everything. And then I was like, oh no, I have to show you this. These products, if you do this little cycle, and they are not expensive, my products, the main products that I'm using, it'll change your skin. One's a really great investment. So we're going to get into that. Take the balm over your eyes. It melts down all of your makeup. This is the easiest way to get your makeup off your face. This is my little Elemis cloth that came with my balm. So I'm just going to put it in water. And see, just like literally melts off all of my makeup. I find that the little washcloth gives that texture that does do a nice little exfoliation too. Face is nice and clean. I'm going to take my clean towel. This is my just individual towels I get on Amazon. They're biodegradable. And I'll make sure that everything is dry, perfect. I love these. And I also use this for my frownies when I'm pressing them into my head. We'll get to that in a second. So my face is cleansed now. Then if I have mascara on and I need to, or have my waterproof eyeliner on, I find that my mascara stays longer now with my new formulation and of course my eye pencils. So what I'll do is I'll take my Shiseido Cotton and I'll take my Elemis White Flowers Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. It's a biphase, so I just shake it up a little bit. And this is very, very moisturizing on my eyes. I literally do like 2 drops and I'll go around my eye, making sure that everything's off when I have mascara. And I also have my eyeliner. You have to get that eyeliner off your lashes. You need to get them off in between your lashes. That's very important. That's not something that you can just, oh, I got it all off, but it's still in the lash line. You've got to remove that. So that's where the Elemis really comes in nicely. And again, my Shiseido Cotton, super, super soft on the skin. Very important for mature skin. So now my skin's clean. My eye area is clean. And I got this from my plastic surgeon, and this is tretinoin, Retin-A. So I did the 0.05%. Very, very mild. It's very low. And what I'll do is I just do 4 dabs. So I'll take a little bit for my forehead, my cheek area. This is great and this is proven. This is the one thing that is proven for fine lines and wrinkles and pigmentation. So I like using this for the texture. I get all this texture here. So I like to use it. I don't use it every single night. I really pace it out because I don't need my skin to be oversensitized. Plus it's summertime. So I need to be really careful with the sun, and I was putting sunscreen on, making sure, because, I've been doing a little bit of my swimming each week. So I need to really be very conscious of protecting my skin and what nights that I do put this on. So I'll put it on my forehead. So the Retin-A is on my skin. This is really a key important step. So you need to put that on first. Then I'll go in with my Advanced Snail 96 Mucin. This is Snail Mucin, which has been all over every single platform I've ever seen talking about this Korean product. And I bought this on Amazon. You have to make sure that if you order it on Amazon, that it's made in Korea. It depends on how you feel about products like this. Like, this is from a snail. Yes, some people find it to be, controversial, or maybe it's a little bit something out of their comfort zone. But basically, though, this has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Greek times. And it's saying that it's a mixture of, if you're chemically speaking about this, a mixture of proteins, enzymes, hyaluronic acid, copper peptides, antimicrobial peptides, iron, zinc. It has a lot of really great properties. One of them that I really love that it does is the anti-inflammatory, because my skin's been very red, as you know, in certain areas. And I was like, I'm willing to try it. I want to see what happens. I'm game for anything within skincare and getting into really what's going on with ingredients and what it's going to do to the skin. So I do like 3 pumps of this, and I'm going to put it on over my tretinoin. This does not smell like anything. This feels really good on the skin. Talk about hydration, talk about sealing in everything. I do not find my skin having the same kind of reaction when I use the Retin-A that I normally do. It's not peeling, it's not sensitive. So this has been a really great combo for me. You can also bring this down on the neck. Obviously at night when I'm wearing a robe, I'm wearing a shirt right now. I can't do that, but I bring it down on my neck and really concentrate on hydrating my neck. So now once this is set up into my skin, it's worked in, and I feel like I can go on to the next step. I will take this Egyptian Magic. Now this is really inexpensive. This is a great all-purpose cream. You should see the reviews on Amazon about this product. Incredible. So this is going to really lock everything in. So you have to know your skin type. You have to know what's going on. You can use a cream if you wanted to use your favorite cream. But if you want something that's going to be more occlusive, this would be the product to use. So I've been using this. I use just a little bit. It's kind of like in the way that you use it, warming it up, and then it turns from a solid into an oil, like the La Mer. You have to do that with La Mer. You have to warm it up, and then you press it into the skin. This starts off as solid, and then you warm it up, and it turns into beautiful, like oil. So what I'll do is I just use a little bit. I don't use too much, and then I will press it in to my skin. Now, I avoid my forehead because I'm going to show you my 4th product when it comes to this treatment, not including my Rose Cleansing Balm. So I'll put this in. I do sleep on a silk pillowcase. It's fine because by the time I go to bed, it's in my skin. It's not sitting on top of my skin. Bring it on your neck. Really work it in your chest. This is amazing. I have to tell you, I tried this product, Frownies. I told you about it in one of my videos recently, and I wasn't, thinking anything about it when I first bought it. I got to tell you, I will not go to bed without it. Some people in the reviews were like, oh, my wrinkles come back later in the day. That's great. If I wake up looking like my forehead is super smooth and I don't look angry and like I was having bizarre dreams all night long, like very tense and like trying to figure things out, I'm thrilled. They can come back in the afternoon. The morning, these are great for my shoots too, or when I'm filming. I'm like, oh my gosh, I look like I've rested for like 24 hours. So these Frowny patches, I have it all figured out now. So I have 6 of them that I use each night. I know exactly where I put them. I have like a little, like a little puzzle piece on my forehead. So they come in the little squares that turn into triangles. And the way I do it, though, I told you to wet it with the Quarterly Beauty Elixir, but I have the grape water. So I lay them all out because one side has the adhesive. I lay them all out on my little washcloth, and then I spritz them all because I watched her tutorial and she said to spritz them and then wait so they are nice and a little tacky. And then I place them on my forehead. So I usually do like 2 like this. And then I do this whole little wherever I have, I'm trying to do this part of my forehead. I don't really concentrate yet. I haven't done my whole face. There's different ones that you have on her website that are different shaped for the inner and then the eye area. I just haven't purchased those because I've been trying to work with the ones that I have. So I bought these on Amazon from her store, and I won't put them on now because I don't want to waste them. I'll just take them off. But these go on, they harden, so it's like a cast. And let me tell you something, some of the comments below the video that I did were saying, oh, right, but when you take it off, it rips off. It does not. You get it wet and you just slowly pull it off. Remember, if it's pulling anything, I'm like, yes, it's just like exfoliating my forehead better. Just like men shave every day and their skin looks amazing because they're shaving and exfoliating every day. I say, take what you want off my forehead. I want it to be beautiful because I was getting texture, like those little oil glands and what have you, and now I'm not. I think it's just suppressing them. It's like putting a little cast on my forehead. It looks amazing. So if I want to, usually the Egyptian cream is perfect for around the eye area here. If not, if I feel like I need more moisture, I'll go in with my Equilibrium from Hourglass. It is an intensive eye balm. This is my second jar. I did ask them to send me a second one because I was in love with it so much. If you're not happy with your skin, it's dulling out. It looks just like you're just not happy with it. This, I promise you, if you do this little concoction of cleansing your skin properly, doing a double cleanse, then going into the tretinoin retin-A and using that, obviously speaking with your dermatologist or your plastic surgeon about what percentage would be right for your skin, understanding your lifestyle, not going out in the sun and doing anything crazy after you've been using retin-A. Don't be waxing your lip or anything else like that. It will lip the skin. So there are precautions and things to know about if you're going to be using retin-A. Then going into the snail mucin, which has been amazing on my skin, really incredibly amazing for hydration and smoothness. And then putting on the Egyptian Magic, this going in from an all-purpose cream, but it's really breaks down to like an oil when you heat it up in your hands. And then putting on a little eye cream. Then, of course, I do the frownies, and then I'll do a little beauty elixir. And what's really nice about the beauty elixir is that if any of my frownies are not perfectly placed and they're lifting a tiny bit, then I just take my clean towel and I'll take it like this and I just press it in just like that. And then they all stay flat and they're perfect. So this is a little skincare combination that I think is amazing. It truly works. It's not that expensive. I'm going to put a little rose balm to finish off my lips at the very end. You don't use that much of the retin-A, even though it is prescription. You're going to have that Egyptian cream forever. The snail mucin I've had, and look, I haven't even made a dent in that. And the frownies are, I think 144 of them for $20, $22. So it's a really great cycle to be able to do if you really want to see a difference in your skin. I hope you enjoyed that. And ladies, tell me what you think below. Tell me if you're going to use this combination. I want to know the results because I've seen a big difference. So until my next video, I'll see you later.